Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this so delicious dairy-free cookie dough non-dairy ice cream. So this was on sale at the local grocery store, so as you can see it's also gluten-free, non-GMO, all that basic stuff. If you guys want to read it, pause the video, but there is quite a bit of sugar in this. It is 20 grams, but if you see here, it's made of a coconut base, and they use some sugar, so organic cane sugar. So just be aware of that. It is vegan though, or vegetarian. So no, it is vegan. So all right, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Oh, that does not peel good. That paper just sticks right to the... Might as well just be eating the paper. Holy crap. Alright, let's do a quick taste test right on the side there. It's pretty good. It has the sort of like a vanilla base, and it is kind of sweet tasting, so just be aware of that. You do get some of the chocolate chips in there, but it is sweet tasting. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.